Alright, so this is a little kit that I got off of AliExpress, which just ships things slow and super cheap from China. This came in a kit. It was like just a little bag of parts, and I had to solder it all together and glue it and screw it. And the thing was that the documentation didn't come, so I had to kind of do it off of pictures. And I mostly got it right. I finally found a Chinese software package that I had to use Google Translate to figure out how to use it. But what this thing does is, let me turn it on here. It spins up, and I'll turn off the light. And it goes into its little thing here. It looks like the camera's got a refresh rate that's messing with it. But if I press 7, it's a clock. You can sort of see it, but it's floating. Yeah, the camera refresh rate is really messing with it. But check it out. These LEDs are spinning super fast, and they blink at the right rate. And what they do, turn it off again, is there's a little LED, little infrared LED right here, and there's underneath here, there's another one, the black one, right there. And when it goes by it, it knows that it's at the same spot every time. It flashes, one flashes and the other one receives it and knows what it's doing. And this is an inductive coil where the motor, this can spin freely, and it gets power just through the magnetics of spinning. But each one of these LEDs I had to solder on here, and each one of them blinks at a certain rate based on when it goes past that LED. Same thing with these side ones, and it's pretty darn cool. Actually, the hardest part at the end here was counterweighting it so that it would sit still without rattling off the place. I've got a couple pieces of hardware here that'll keep it counterbalanced. But yeah, pretty cool. And here comes the clock. Padunk! It looks perfect where I'm sitting. The camera kind of messes with it.